everyone, my name is Hosam Wilmadani. You can call me Rival with name F1D041100091. Today I would like to explain about my work with my team. So this is mind mapping that we got. After we are reading the text, we have the main idea of the text is the history of computers. In the history of computer, there is 5 generations of computers. But before we go to the first generation, there is time before the first generation. It's called ancient times. In ancient times, there is device called abacus. It's device used to calculating. It's look like this. So I think till now, abacus still exists and still uses. In Indonesian, if I get it right, it's called Sampoa, and it's usually used for kid in elementary school. Okay, in ancient time there is another device other than abacus, such as Napier bones. This Napier bones in 1617. It's used for calculating multiplication and division. And next is Pascaline in 1642. It's used for calculating too, but in for plus and minus. I don't know what in English, sorry. Next is Leibniz calculator in 1673. It's also used to calculating like Napier bones for multiplication and division. In the early 19th centuries, there is the first concept of computer that designed by Carlos Babbages. Sorry for the grammar. Such as like the Vine engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1837. This too is the being designed the first concept of computers. In 1819, there is Hermann Hollerith tabulating machine. This is machine that can data processing, so it's like the first computers, I guess, because it can data processing, not like other ancient device. It's just for calculating. But computer is using calculating for processing, so I think it's the like prefer or kiblat for modern computer. So we got finished in ancient time, so we're gonna next to the beginning eras. In the beginning era, there is two generation. First generation in 1940, I guess, and until 1950. In the first generation, the computers using vacuum tubes and have characteristics so large. The example of this in first generation computer, such as ENIAC in 46, and UNIVAC 1 in 1951. So next we go to second generation. It's from 1950 until 1960. In this generation, the computer is using transistor. So in the first generation, we use vacuum tubes. In second generation, it's changed to transistor. It's make computer smaller, faster, and more efficient. In second generation, that's also introduction or using high level program language like Fortran and COBOL. Okay, we next to now we're gonna go to the medieval era. In medieval era, so in third medieval era there is 2 generations. It's third generation and fourth generation. In third generation is from 1960 till 1970. In this generation, it's about integrated circuit or ICS, where made computer more significantly reduce the cost and the size of computer. It's it's make computer more accessible for industry, business, and the government. The example of the computer such as the IBM system 360 and PDP-8. This two computer is leading the industry in third generation. Next, we have fourth generation. It's from 1917 until 1980. Yeah, if I didn't get it wrong. In this generation, the introduction of microprocessor that make computers so small, and the first microprocessor is Intel 44 in 1971. This microprocessor make computer is more friendly, more usable for user. It's brought the personal PC like Apple 1 in 1976, Apple 2 in 1977, and IBM PC in 1981. Also, in this generation or fourth generation, the introduction of Microsoft Windows. In Microsoft Windows made computer even more user-friendly and widely adopted. So with this Microsoft Windows, everyone can use computers. So with this Windows, we have these PCs, I guess. So we're gonna next to the upcoming eras. In upcoming eras is that there is fifth generation. It's now or today or present. The time is present till future. In fifth generation, computer have evolved wait, I'm sorry, with like artificial intelligence, AI, quantum computing, cloud computing, Internet of Things. In this generations, computer have so much innovation than before. It's sorry, the duration of the video is cut, so next. In fifth generation, we can see that computer or technology have innovation and more specific, but not like before. In fourth generation above, we just focus to more make computer more efficiently. But today we have some kind of route to other things like this, like AI, quantum computing, cloud computing, and Internet of Things. This four is an example of the innovation in fifth generation. So I think that's it for my mapping. After we read the text, we have conclusion that it takes so long to have innovation, to upgrade it computer, to make it we need to make it more efficient or more user friendly. In this text too, we study about the generation of computer, the road that we have to through, the histories of computers. I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if there is I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the misgramming or the kekurangan. I don't know in English, but thank you for your attention and bye.